morning, guys. Check it out. Today is, I don't know, September 16th. It's Friday. This will probably be one of the final videos here on the TrapBlazer. We got a guy come to check it out today, and I'm sure that he'll buy it, man. But I just checked the oil. I always check the oil, make sure it's good. It does leak a little bit around the oil pan seal. It's old Chevy, man. This is how it is. But it's nothing bad. You keep oil in it. Like I always say, if it's leaking oil, you know it's got oil. But anyway, we're going to start it up, check this thing out running. The Stang, it'll be gone soon too, guys. We'll just go ahead and go around this one time while we're out here. You see the Blazer in the background, but this one will be gone too, you see, guys. I like this car. I don't really like to tell a whole lot of people I like this Ford, but I do. I like driving this car. It's a lot of fun. It's a good car, man. It really is. It's nice inside too. My girl likes it better than she likes this, which is odd because this is, to me, this is my favorite. I wanted one of these trucks ever since I was a kid. I had one, drove it around for a couple years, took good care of it, went a lot of places. We went to Slamology, Johnny and I did this summer in this thing, but it's been all over the place, guys, and it's always a lot of fun. Always a lot of fun. But I'm gonna be getting it ready here today for this guy. There's a check engine light. It's for a secondary air injection system. I bypassed it. There's an issue with it. So let's see if we can see down here, guys. Yeah, right there. We just bypassed it. Lifetime K&N. It's got a new alternator. It's got a lot of new stuff. Yeah. But anyway, guys, that's what it is. That's what we're doing. We're out here getting this thing ready this morning. We will see you all in the next one. Keep on track. It's warmed up now. It's run a little bit. It sounds good, man. It runs great. Check this out. Let's see where the temp is at. Make sure it is warm. I don't like to rev on it unless it's warmed up a bit. Yeah, it's a little warmer. It's got a nasty rumble to it. I always liked it, but yeah, there's a couple cars going by right now. But yeah, it runs good, man. It's got a new idler, tensioner pulley, new belt, alternator, new thermostat, new radiator, new thermostat cap, like batteries new. There's all kinds of stuff, man. There's so much list. But yeah, that's it. We'll go around it one more time for you. Check this out. The fog lights do work. Here, let's turn them on. There we go. Let's see if this side's unlocked. And these windows, they do open and close from the inside. They got the old school like little plastic clips, and then they're fine. There's no problems with them. Inside's good. It's all there. It's all clean. No tears, no rips, nothing like that. The back seats, all the plastic there. show the mileage one time. Let's see. 150, 57. Yeah, it just turned. And he's cleaned up a little bit.
We stand out like bird shit on a black shoe.